guys can see in the title, I am going to be showing you guys how I bleach a closure. So, what for this video, what you're going to need is obviously a closure. You're going to need you some aluminum foil, okay? And you got to get your H0W2. This is from Sally's, as well as your 30 developer. You can use 30 or 40 developer. That is also from Sally's. And your mixing bowl. So, oh, you're going to need you a spray bottle too. You're gonna need that. So, what you want to do first is flip over your closure. Make sure you pull back all your baby hair. You don't want to bleach none of that. So, you're going to spray the edges, you know. We're going to take the brush from the mixing bowl and kind of brush it back a little bit. Get it out the way. Make sure we don't get no bleach on there. We don't want no blind baby hairs or nothing like that. So, as you guys can see, this is a 3-part closure. Not usually what I get, but it's going to have to work. If you guys didn't know what bleaching knots were, it's basically getting rid of those black dots that you saw me show you. That's in the middle of the closure. We won't be able to get rid of them all, but we will try to get rid of most of them. So what we're going to do is get some H0W2 powder. You want to get like a cup of that and put it in your mixing bowl. Or you can decide how much is best for you and your closure. 1 cup is usually enough. I did not put enough the first time, so you guys will see me add more here in a second. But you want to get your 30 developer and go ahead and add that into your H0W2. It kind of is up to you how much you put because you want to get the right consistency. So you kind of just mix and see what you get. And then if it's not right, either you going to add more powder or you going to have to add more 30 developer. So as you can see, mine is still strapped nasty. We don't need it like that. So I'm going to add some more, try to see if I can get my brush to stand up by itself. When it stands up by itself, that means you got the right consistency, the right flow, one that's not going to bleed through your closure. If your consistency is too runny, then it will bleed through your closure, and that's going to be bad news for you. You ain't going to be able to do nothing with it after that. I mean, sure you can, but it's going to take a lot. So keep mixing and dabbing and seeing what's happening. See, and now I got it standing up. My brush is up straight by itself. So this is the perfect consistency. So now I'm just going to spread this all over the closure. I'm not going to be heavy-handed. I'm going to try to put it on there very gently because you don't want to put it on there too thick. Also, what I was just showing you is that with a 3-part closure, you don't have to bleach the whole closure. You could, if you just wanted to wear it as a middle part or a side part, you can choose whichever one you wanted to use, and you could just bleach just that strip. But right now, I am going to bleach the whole closure because I do like to part my hair different ways and all over the place. So just to make sure that that's going for me, I'm gonna get this whole closure together. And when you're done, you want to flip it over. Put it face down on the aluminum foil. And then you want to fold your aluminum foil over. This will help the bleaching process. But you do not want to fold your closure with the foil. I have done that before and actually end up bleaching the hair. So what I'm doing is double checking to make sure that I have enough room to fold so that I don't end up folding the closure. So I'm going to let that sit for like 30 minutes maybe. Sorry, my phone is kind of out of frame or whatever, but I'm going to let that sit for 30 minutes. I'm going to come back. I'm going to check on it and see. I'll show you guys how I actually check as well. So we're going to go in and we're going to check these knots, and we're going to see how many black dots are actually gone, because I need to be sure that I'm not going to have all that showing. So I came to check and it wasn't looking too good. So I had to end up folding this back up and letting it stay on for just a little longer, because it didn't even look like it was working. I was like, great, sure, the video I want to shoot for YouTube doesn't go well, but any other time I set it for 30 minutes and it's like it was almost about to over bleach. And now this one time, it wants to take its precious time. What kind of stuff is this? So we gonna fold it back up. I'm gonna put an extra 15. First, all you want to do is just rinse it. You don't want to add any shampoo or anything yet. You just want to rinse it off, get all of that off of there. And then what you're going to do, so we're going to use the Shimmer Light shampoo, which is good for getting out the bronze color that kind of comes with bleaching your knots. Kind of look too much. So wow, girl, why you put so much? Ooh, okay, but whatever. You want to go ahead and use your purple shampoo. You want to just focus on the closure. You're not really worried about the hair itself. Just focus on the closure, making sure you're getting all the chemicals out of there. We don't, we don't need any problems. We don't want that to keep working while we trying to make our wig or whatever. So we gonna rinse it real good. Ah, ah, rinse it real good. Or wash it. I guess we're washing. Wash it real good. Now rinse it real good. Yeah, right there. Like that. So get all of that out of there. With this shampoo, when you flip it over and you actually look on the other side, it's going to look like it's still some in there, but that's just what that shampoo looks like. I don't know why it does that, but whatever, we ain't going to worry about that. We're going to move on, and next we want to use our neutralizing shampoo, which is just going to get rid of any buildup or anything. You know, wow, why am I using so much? Yeah, I ain't got to use as much as I did, but yeah, just get a nice amount on there. And once again, we just want to focus on the closure. Just um, get that real nice and clean on that side or whatever. And then after we're done doing this, we're going to go ahead and rinse that off as well. I mean, come on, rinse it. There we go. Okay, we're going to rinse. And then I'm going to flip it over to show you guys exactly what it turned out like. Not too bad. Not too bad. This hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. So I will be doing a review for you guys over this hair because, it's what's next. I'm taking the steps, I posted the unboxing video. Now it's the bleaching. And then next will be the actual hair review so you guys can see what's up with this hair. But basically, that is all you do to bleach a closure, or it will be the same way for a frontal as well. So here is the final look. I'm sorry, y'all. My camera was not focusing. But you can kind of see. You can see that it looks like a natural part or whatever. And that's all I wanted. I just wanted to make sure that I got rid of most of those black dots. So it looks good to me. So we're going to go ahead and work with that one. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to ask in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you can be notified when I post another video. Thanks for watching, guys.